A warm greetings present over here. I am Dr.E.Kamatchi, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration. Global transportation. So the transportation of goods is a highlighting evolution of global logistics. So the overview of the international transportation methods: ocean freight, air cargo, rail transport, road transportation. Ocean freight, a most cost-effective option for large volumes, often transporting goods in containers. Air cargo, fastest option for urgent shipments, ideal for perishable goods and high-value items. Rail transport, a reliable and efficient way to move goods long distance within continents. Road transportation, essential for long last mile delivery and regional distribution within countries. So, moving goods. International borders is a multi-layered process involving specialized transportation modes, complex regulatory compliance, and network logistics partners. So primary modes of global transportation, selecting a mode depends on trade-off between cost, speed, and volume. Ocean freight, the backbone of international trade, handling rough 80 to 90% of global goods by volume. The most cost-effective for large non-urgent shipments like raw materials and machinery. Air freight, the fastest, more essential for high value or time sensitive items such as electronics and pharmaceuticals, while it accounts for 2 tonnage, it represents approximately 1.5 percentage of the global trade value. So road transport uh, provides essential door-to-door service and primary method for the cross-border trade within high integrated regions like North America and Europe Union. So rail transport, a reliable, eco-friendly option for moving bulk commodities over long land distance, often bridging the gap between the sea and road regions with strong rail networks. Multimodal and intermodal combines two or more modes: sea, rail, truck, and a race speed and cost for a single journey. Critical components of cross-border logistics: customs compliance. Goods must clear customs both origin and destination countries. This requires meticulous documentation including commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, airway bill, certificates of origin, and import-export permits. So tariff and duties: importers must pay taxes and duties based on the harmonized system codes used to classify products. And also the key partners: most business rely on the freight forwarders to act as the architects of the journey, coordinating carriers, warehouses, and customs brokers who specialize in legal clearance. So technology, model systems like transportation management system and IoT sensors, real-time tracking, and help predicts delays. So these are the overview of the transportation. Ocean freight, the backbone of the global trade, cost effective, high capacity, global reach, environmental impact. The cost effective ocean freight remains the most affordable way to transport large volume of goods globally. So the high capacity contains can carry thousands of shipping containers accommodating diverse cargo. So global reach, ocean freight connects every continent, enabling trade between distant nations. Environmental impact, the industry is working to reduce the emissions to improve the sustainability. So air cargo, speed and reliability in global logistics, perishable goods, high value items, and also urgent shipments, supply chain flexibility. So perishable goods like air cargo is crucial for the transporting perishable goods like fresh produce and pharmaceuticals. High value items, air cargo is used for the transporting expensive items like electronics and jewelry. Urgent shipments. Air cargo is the fastest option for urgent deliveries when time is of the essence. Supply chain flexibility. Air cargo provides a flexibility and agility in managing global supply chain. So these are the air cargo and speed reliability. Rail transport connecting continents by land, efficient and reliable, long haul capacity, cross border connections. Rail transport provides a consistent speeds and less susceptible to weather delays. Long haul capacity ideal for moving large volumes of goods over the long distance within the continents. Cross border connections. Rail transport connects countries and regions within the continents, facilitating trade. So, road transportation, last mile regional distribution, distribution, essential for the distribution goods within the countries and regions reaching local markets. Last mile delivery, trucks are crucial for delivering goods to final destination, often within urban areas. Flexibility and accessibility, road transportation flexibility, routes and remote areas. So these are the digital services, the new frontier of the global commerce. The fuels and sustainable transportation solutions. So the global transportation industry evolving rapidly by the advancement in technology and sustainability concerns, expect to see the increased automation, the rail and adoption of clear fuels and electric vehicles in the future. Thank you.